on my channel. By the way, I am Ruchika Sumpangkalinas taking a Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics. Today, we tackle into the world of ICT, which stands for Information and Communication Technology. Or ICT is basically everything that helps us to use computers and communicate digitally. First, let's talk about the hardware. That's the physical stuff like your computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and even your smartphone. Then there's software, which is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. We'll cover different types of software like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation programs. Speaking which we're going to compare some popular tools, Microsoft Word and Google Docs, both for writing PowerPoint and Google Slide, both for presentation, and finally Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, both for working with numbers. We'll see how they similar and different, and how they can all work together. These tools can be used together to create amazing projects like presentation with charts from a spreadsheet or a report with images from a photo editor. Information and communication technologies or ICT have changed the way we live, work, and communicate. The internet, mobile phones, and computers help people stay connected, share information, and complete tasks more easily. In education, students can learn online, join virtual classes, and access a lot of information from anywhere. Businesses also benefit from technology by selling products online, reaching more customers, and using machines to make faster. Even governments use ICTs to provide better services, making processes quicker and more organized. However, ICTs bring some problems. Not everyone has access to the internet, especially in poor remote areas, which makes it harder for them to study or find jobs. Cybercrime like hacking and online scams is also a big issue. Putting personal and businesses information is risk. Many people spend too much time on social media and screens, which can affect their mental health and relationships. Even when these challenges, ICTs continue to improve our lives in many ways. They help people learn new things, connect with others, and more efficiently. If used wisely, technology can make a societal better and create more opportunities for everyone.
High school in Jakarta, sort of modern.